Hey fellow riders, today we are diving into the heart of adventure with a product that's about to redefine the way you hit the open road. I am excited to introduce you to the Wanderer Tail Bag, your ultimate travel companion. Now, what makes the Wanderer so special? Let's unpack it. First up, space. The Wanderer starts with a generous 40 liters of storage. But wait for it. With the double expansion zipper, you can effortlessly transform it into a whopping 60 liters when you need that extra space for longer trips. Ever struggled with getting your stuff in a traditional tail bag? Not anymore. The Wanderer comes with 3 access points. You get access on both sides, making it easy to retrieve your essentials on the go. Then, you also get wide clamshell opening on the top, so packing and unpacking becomes a breeze. Now, let's talk about organization. You get a mesh pocket in the top axis as well as the side axis panels. The Wanderer also comes with zippered quick access pockets on both sides with internal mesh pocket for ease of access. The top of the bag comes with 2 additional quick release straps that can be used to attach your gear or your helmet. To add on to the storage, Wanderer also comes with a beaver flap. The beaver flap features an elastic band cord on top to tuck your gear when not in use, and a clear pocket on the other side to store your documents, maps, and other essentials. Mounting and dismounting this tail bag is a breeze, thanks to the quick release mounting mechanism. Also, when you're off the bike, you don't need to worry about your mounting straps, as they are thoughtfully designed to stay on the bike by interconnecting with each other. Now, here's the cool part. You're off the bike and ready to explore on foot. Just pull the flap, take out the strap, and bam! Your tail bag becomes a backpack. Convenient, right? And because adventures don't stop for the rain, the Wanderer comes with a rain cover, keeping your gear dry and your spirits high. So there you have it, the Wanderer Tail Bag, engineered for adventure, designed for the journey. Head to our website www.rahgear.in and grab your Wanderer today. Until next time, ride safe, explore often, and unleash your wanderlust. See you on the road, Team Rahgear.